Today we will be solving some more problems on ratio and proportion. First one is Snehal has red ribbon that is 80 centimeters long and a blue ribbon that is 2.20 meters long. What is the ratio of the length of the red ribbon to the blue ribbon? So first of all, she is having two ribbons, red and blue. Length of both the ribbons is different. Here it is, red one is 80 centimeters and blue one is 2.20 meters. So here units are different. So we have to convert this 2.20 meters into centimeters first, and then we will be finding out the ratio. Let's see how we are doing this. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. Therefore, 2.20 meters is equals to dash centimeters. That means we have to find out this one. So, we will be multiplying this 2.20 into 100, which gives us 220 centimeters. Now, both the units are same. So, we will be finding the ratio of red ribbon and blue ribbon, that is 80 is to 220. So we will be getting 80 upon 220. By applying tables, we will be getting 4 upon 11. So required ratio is 4 is to 11. In this way, you have to represent the whole sum step by step. Each step carries marks. Okay. Next question is, Shubham's age today is 12 years and his father's age is 42 years. Shubham's mother's age is younger than his father by 6 years. Find the following ratios. Let's see what we have to find out. Here 3 questions are there. Ratio of Shubham's age today to his mother's age today. Next one, ratio of Shubham's mother's age today to his father's age today. And third one is, when Shubham was 10 years old, the ratio of his age to his mother's age then, means at that time. Let's see first, understand the question. Here we are having today Shubham's age is 12 years and his father's age is 42 years. Now from this we can get his mother's age first. How? By subtracting 6 years from his father's age. So first step will be to find his mother's age. Then we will be finding Shubham's age today, that is 12 years, and the ratio of this 12 to his mother's age today, which we will be getting from this. Next one is ratio of Shubham's mother's age. We will get from here to his father's age, that is 42. Okay. Third one is when Shubham was 10 years old. That means 12 and here it is 10. So we are subtracting 2 from 12. So same way, whatever answer we are getting here is mother's age today. From that also we have to subtract 2 years. And we will be finding out the ratios of both the ages. Okay. Let's see how we are solving it stepwise. Shubham's age is 12 years. His father's age is 42 years. So from this we have to find out his mother's age, which is 6 years less than 42. That we will be getting as 36 years. So first ratio is Shubham's age today to his mother's age, that is 12 is to 36. that means 12 upon 36. By applying tables we get 1 upon 3, that is 1:3. So first answer is 1:3. Next one is Shubham's mother's age to his father's age. Father's age is 42 and we got mother's age 36 years. So 36 is to 42. That means 36 upon 42. By applying tables we get 6 upon 7 is equals to 6:7. So their ratio is 6:7. This is the second ratio. Now third one is Shubham's age when it was 10 years. So that means 2 years back. So that means we are subtracting 2 from 12. We get 10. Same way we have to subtract 2 years from his mother's age. That is 36 minus 2. We get 34 years. So their ratio will be 10:34. Okay. So 10 by 34, by applying tables we get 5 upon 17. So ratio is 5:17. This is the third ratio. Okay. Finally, in this way we have to represent the whole answer. And in the end we have to write the required ratios are 1:3, 6:7 and 5:17. Okay.